Okay, so the most asked question that you guys usually ask is what is tactile switches and what is linear switches. So basically, linear switches such as this one, the MMD Princess linear version, when you type in it, you will have a smooth feeling. The switch is gonna go all the way down. And for this one, the tactile switches, basically you will feel a bump when you press into it, and then it will go down all the way. So you will feel a bump between each press, and this will also create different sounds. For the sound comparison and for the fairness of this comparison, I will compare the MMD Princess linear version with its own tactile version. So here's the tactile version, here's the linear version. Okay, so now this is the MMD Princess tactile version. And this is the linear version of it. So basically, when you're choosing the switches, just choosing to your preference. If you want a quiet sound, go with linears, and if you want to have like pressing with more feeling and have bigger sound, go with tactile. It will be your best choice. And I hope this video helped you in choosing your first custom switches. Thank you for watching.